Today we will learn how to create thumbnails in smartphone. Open pixellabe in your smartphone. Click on three dot. Click on image size. In preset select YouTube thumbnail. Then OK. Here your thumbnail size. Click for option in menu bar. Click on color and select red color. You can have select any color. Click on plus icon on top and click on from gallery. Click on triangle to rotate and click on check mark. Set your image according to your thumbnail. You can set image in other corner. Click on layer option. Make copy of image. Lock the second layer. Bring this image on first image. Adjust the image equal. Click on layer. Lock first layer. And then unlock second layer. Scroll the toolbar and click on stroke option. Enabled stroke. Choose any color you like for stroke. If you adjust stroke, then click on check to OK. Click on layer option and lock layer. Now add text. Double-click on text to edit. Now apply font on text. Scroll the toolbar and click on font. Go to My Font. Select bold font. Adjust text size according to yourself. Change text color. Click on Layer option and copy text. Edit the text. Click OK if you edit the text. Go to Font and change font. Apply Jamil Nori font. Change color. Add more text to make beautiful and attractive. Click on plus icon and go to from gallery. Add phone image. Adjust image size. Click on layer option and phone layer send back to font. Add shadow in phone image. In toolbar find color eraser. Click enabled. Click on plus. Click on color paint. Point on the side watermark. Then check. Adjust image size. Adjust it any place. It's look perfect. Give it black shadow. Click enabled. Then check. Click on plus icon on top. Add raw PNG image. Adjust rope image size. Send back to text. Add shape. Radius increase up to 14%. Then OK. Scroll the toolbar and click on Texture. Add any thumbnail that you make. Then check and check. Scroll the toolbar and give it shadow. Click on Shadow option and Enabled. Click on plus icon on the top and open Gallery. Add pixellabe image. In toolbar find Color Eraser. Click on Color Eraser. Click on Color Point. Pick black color. Then OK. Adjust image size. Click on Layer option. Lock all layers. Close the layer. Click on plus icon. Select circle and reduce size. Then add image. Adjust size. Add shape. Click on the Shape tool. Select cross. Give them red color. Then OK. Decrease size. Then put on Photoshop logo. Go to Layer option. Click here. Select Photoshop and cross. Then merge them. OK. Close Layer option. Open Layer option and send back to pixellabe logo. Give them shadow. For Save Thumbnail, click here. Save as image. Then save as gallery. Here your thumbnail is saved.